Hey, what's up guys? So it looks like my new V1 Gen 2 has died. Now when I go to power on the detector tries to start up but immediately shuts off. I see a little flicker of the LED, but then it instantly turns off and is no longer able to power on or detect radar in any way. Now this is a known issue. I just did a video actually a couple days ago talking about different bugs of different detectors, and it looks like, well, I guess I've now joined the club of people who now have dead V1 Gen 2s, unfortunately. Now, taking a closer look at the issue with the detector itself, you'll see when I go to plug the cable in and power it on, it flickers like that. It just flashes and it clicks, but it doesn't actually stay powered on. It just does that same thing every single time. Now, I can try maybe with another detector. Like, for example, here's the original V1 Gen 1. Plug it in. And you'll see that one's just going to go ahead and power on totally normally, right? So we'll unplug it, plug it back into the new Gen 2. And it just does that. I've tried multiple different power cables, power sources, etc., and I'm always getting the same thing. I can try maybe pressing the power button, long pressing. Pretty much the detector is turned off, and there's no way to actually get it to turn on, stay on, and detect radar anymore. So no combinations of button presses. I know people have asked on the forums and stuff. Pretty much it just does that flicker and then immediately shuts itself off. Now, Valentine is currently shut down for the COVID-19 crisis, and so they're not able to do any sort of warranty repairs or replacements or ship out new detectors to people who order, unfortunately. So those of us who do have detectors that have died, we can't really do anything until they open back up. Now, I've got other detectors that I can run, of course, in the meantime, but I'm kind of bummed out because I was actually planning on spending time this week starting to work on a series of V1 Gen 2 videos. Pretty much setup tutorials, things like how to program the detector. Let's pop it off here real quick. You know, how to program it, how to use it, talking about, programming it with an app, talking about running it standalone versus an app and going into more detail about that kind of stuff, talking about V1 Driver for the iPhone and JBV1 for the Android. I may be able to do some stuff with the V1 Gen 1 kind of as a stand-in the meantime. I would obviously much rather use this, especially since there are kind of different settings between the different detectors. So I'm going to have to see what I'm going to be able to do in the meantime without actually having a functional detector. Maybe I'll look at kind of reprioritizing the videos that I was going to do. I've got some other videos that I was planning on doing afterwards that maybe I'll start kind of bumping up the priority list and doing, well, in the meantime, if I'm not going to be able to do all the V1 Gen 2 videos. So I guess we'll kind of have to see how that goes. But yeah, I guess it kind of sucks. My V1 Gen 2 is now dead as well. So mine, I've been running it for about a month or so, and it just died this morning. So kind of sucks, but I'm looking forward to when I'm able to get the detector repaired, because I really like the detector overall. I guess right now it's kind of a shame that I, can't drive with it. Not that I'm really driving, because stay at home, but really I'm not going to be able to do all the videos and tutorials that I was really wanting to get into for you guys. So, oh well, I guess, yeah, people are just out riding their bikes and playing and stuff in the meantime. So, hope you guys are doing well, staying at home as well. Hope you guys are all healthy, and I will see you in the next video.